What is community management? Community management involves managing your online community. Managing your online community could involve responding to comments and questions on YouTube, using Twitter for customer service, responding to questions on your Facebook group, replying to comments on your Instagram posts. So what is a community manager or a social media manager? So community management basically revolves around interacting with your digital community. A community manager or social media manager for a business could be responsible for interacting and engaging with the online community of that brand.